Lesson 8.6. The next step in factoring is what happens when your original trinomial has a coefficient on the x squared term. Well, let's walk through it. First step stays the same with just one little change. It's not what factors of c will add together to equal b. It's what factors of a times c will add together to equal b. So given this trinomial, 6x squared plus 23x plus 7, 6 times 7 is 42. What factors of 42 will add together to give us 23? And there they are. Yay, happy day. Okay, so we found our factors. Step 2, rewrite this way. See what we've done? We've taken 23x and we've broken it down into 2x plus 21x plus 7. Third step. This is where it starts to get fun. Factor each pair. This pair and that pair. So out of this pair, I pulled out a 2x, leaving me with 3x plus 1. Out of this pair, I pulled a 7, which leaves me with 3x plus 1. And then it's a piece of cake. Use the distributive property to change this into this, and all that's left is multiply to check. I like to do this step quickly in my head. So this times this is going to give me 6x squared, that's going to give me a 2x, that's going to give me a 21x, that's going to give me a 7, 2x plus 21x will give me 23x, 6x squared plus 23x plus 7. Done. I'm going to walk you through one more problem. Like with the last section, this is just something that you're going to have to practice several times and you'll get it right eventually. So given this polynomial, 6x squared plus 13x plus 5, the first question is what factors of 30, because remember you're multiplying 6 and 5, what factors of 30 will add together to get 13? I was optimistic about 15 times 2, but that doesn't work. However, 10 times 3 does. Yay! Step 2, rewrite 6x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 5. Now, we're supposed to go on to step 3, which is factor each pair. But you can't do any factoring with this pair. So I'm going to rewrite in this order. 6x squared plus 3x plus 10x plus 5. All I did was switch those two terms, which you can do because you're just adding. Now we can move on to step 3, which is factoring. Okay. Can take a 3x out of that pair, 2x plus 1, can take a 5 out of this pair, and look, that also leaves us with a 2x plus 1. Next step, distribute 3x plus 5 times 2x plus 1. Last step, quickly check your answers. I'll leave that covered for a second. 6x squared plus 3x plus 10x plus 5. And our original problem was 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. That all works out. Next thing I'd like you to do is start to get some practice. So that's going to be page 508 to 509. Do 8 through 19. I'm going to say all of them. I know, that's mean. Sorry.